Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you what to do when you got a mess of wires like this. So if you have an older Mustang, you probably got the same problem I have. You have the original wire looms, and these are made out of plastic, and after a while they break. Like these broke, and I tried to keep them all together with wire ties, and they broke, and it's a freaking mess. So I picked these up, these wire separators from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And these are made out of aluminum. They come with a little Allen key, and they look pretty cool. They're made for 8mm to 10mm wires, so they should fit my Ford racing wires. So let's try them on. All right, we're gonna cut away the old stuff first. These are pretty simple to put on. You just put them where you want it, and then just drop the other one on top like that and just tighten it up. Alright guys, so I threw a zip tie in between the separators so you don't see it going over the top. It's holding on pretty good, but I think eventually what I'm going to do is throw a bolt straight through these holes and bolt it on that way. I think that would be better. I'm going to try to get a couple of more of these 4-wire separators because I think I want to replace this 2 separator deal over here and over here. I don't know if I like that. And I also got a couple of more of these left, which are supposed to go back here, but I'm not sure what to do because these are bolted onto the valve cover itself. So if I put them on, they're gonna be just hanging loose. So I don't know what to do. But otherwise, I think it looks way better than I did before. What do you guys think? Drop a comment. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.